Hey guys, Rhett here at a client's property. Joe, so happy for you guys. This is Joe's first investment property. It's his first Section 8 property. Joe lives out in California. He's never seen his property, okay? We're gonna put a Section 8 tenant in here, paying somewhere between $1,200 and $1,300 a month. Super, super excited for him. Come on in. Joe bought this house for around $40,000. It was absolutely falling apart nightmare, okay? We put 47,000 into it, and now we're gonna get about 1,200 a month for it. So really, really happy. What we've done on the exterior that you're not gonna see on the inside, we put a brand new HVAC system in, brand new furnace, all new ductwork throughout the entire house, brand new roof, ripped the entire roof off, all new decking, and put a brand new 25-year roof on. So guys, come on in. This house was absolutely in shambles. And it's coming along very nicely. Still, there needs to be some things to be done here. We're by no means finished, but we're working our way across nicely. So guys, this is gonna be capped off. Everything's been painted. All the electrical work has been done. It's been rewired. It's been replumbed. All the plumbing was stripped underneath the house. All the wiring was stripped underneath the house. We've redone everything, okay? All new subfloors, all new flooring throughout. Coming through here, we still have some work to do in the bathroom. We have bedroom number 1, okay? This is the first of 3. So this bedroom's nice. We have plenty of light during the day. Looks really good in here as well. Bedroom number 2. Oh, much bigger than our first bedroom. We have our closet now. Like I said, we're still doing some patchwork. We're still patching things up in here. We haven't come through here for our final Section 8 checklist walkthrough either, which is obviously one of the times we go through the entire house with a fine-tooth comb and just do everything we need. So you guys did it. You just backtracked into bedroom number 3. So it's very compact. It's a very compact, smaller house. Like I said, we're still doing patchwork and there are things that still need to be done, but we are in the final throes of getting this house up and running. If you guys saw it beforehand, when we first walked into it, someone ran out the back door. HVAC was gone, roof was caving in, the kitchen floor, and you guys will see the new kitchen, but so this is all brand new kitchen, guys. The kitchen floor was caving in unbelievably bad. So we ripped the entire subfloor up, brought it down to the supports of the house, rebuilt the entire subfloor, and then built the floor up from there. So everything under our feet is brand new. Updated the washer dryer hookups, put our GFIs in, did everything that we need to do to get this place really ready for a new tenant. I mean, this is a full in-depth turn. When you do a turnover like this, not only are you going in and doing flooring and painting, the normal things, but it took a ton of things that I call non-cosmetic, or that you can't see. So the things that are always the most expensive, the HVAC work, the roof, the electrical, the plumbing, you can't see that. You don't appreciate that stuff, right? When you look at a house, you look at a house and say, wow, it looks good, right? But what are the innards? What's really making the house run? And those are the things that are the most expensive. So making sure that those are in good shape and good working order like we did, that is what makes me really excited, because I know that the innards of this house and the plumbing, the electrical, the structural aspects of this house are in a position where we're not gonna have to worry about them for a very long time. And I love that. And of course, the interior looks great, and we've done a great job in here, and this is gonna go off the market in probably a day, which is great. But what I don't want is my client getting a phone call a week later saying, hey, this just went wrong, or this happened. So it's nice being able to have confidence in the fact that everything in this house that you can't see is new. I also love this neighborhood. I love this area. I love that we're gonna take somebody out of a situation that's not very good and put them in a situation that is really good and that we take pride in. and so they can take pride in it. So it's a really cool give and take, guys. Everybody in this thing is a winner. When you guys want to start winning and you want to start helping other people while making money at the same time, let me know. Shoot me an email below in the description. Something like this could be yours very, very soon, no matter where you live, and even if your budget isn't that high. All right, guys, please leave your questions, comments below, and we'll see you next time.